Hey everybody, it's Austin Panko and we're back here at the Northland Workforce Development Center. It's the middle of February, 70-degree day, which is unusual, and we're taking advantage of it. There's a lot going on out here and we're excited to show you guys around. Right behind me, you can see we're pouring the polished concrete slab for the classrooms as well as the main corridor areas. This is about a 80-yard concrete pour today. And behind that, we also have structural steel going on for the 2-story building in Area A. Let's go take a close look at something cool that's happening out here today with the polished concrete slab. As you can see behind me, they're actually hand broadcasting that colored glass aggregate onto the top of the concrete right now. Then they will go in there and trowel over that. Towards the end of the job, they will come back and grind down to expose that glass aggregate, which will end up giving you that shiny, cool look that everybody likes to see.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Northland Workforce Development Project. This is your March update. There's been a lot of cool things that have happened since we last saw you. One of those is the topping out ceremony, which we had 2 weeks ago, where we flew the last beam into place. It was an awesome turnout, and everyone got to celebrate a really important milestone in the project. Behind me, you can see we've started something new. This is the Expo Center. You can see the structural steel being erected for that. This is going to be an awesome space to hold events. It's approximately 12,000 square feet, and it's going to have 20-foot tall open to structure ceilings to hold great events. One cool design feature about the Expo space is this entire east elevation that you can see is all going to be glass, so it's going to allow a lot of natural light into that space. There's also 2 large overhead garage doors that will allow ease of access to and from. To date, we've been focused on completing the structure of the building, so that means the steel and the concrete. And with that work coming to a close, our focus is now shifting to the exterior of the building. We'll show you the exterior metal studs that are being installed right now. And soon after that, we'll want to get the roof on and the walls in to be weather tight so that we can then focus on the interior of the building.